Yeah. In previous class, I explained about a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube identity. What is a cube plus b cube identity? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab bracket a plus b, or we can say a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Next, one more identity I have explained. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, or a minus b whole cube plus 3ab bracket a minus b. Now W question same like he has given. Check it everyone. Section B, W question. Yeah. W question he has given 7m plus 5 whole cube plus 7m minus 5 whole cube. That is not plus, that is minus. Right. Firstly, 95% student what mistake they have done? They have applied here a cube plus b cube formula. First, this is the first mistake. We want to apply here a cube minus b cube because he has not given a cube plus b cube. He has given a cube minus b cube. Solution. Firstly, I need to copy this question again. Yeah. Now it is looking like a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Yeah. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab bracket a minus b. Understood everyone? This was the first mistake whatever you have done. Now the value of a is equal to 7m plus 5 comma b is equal to 7m minus 5. Now we want to substitute the value of a and b in the given identity. Okay, I am going to substitute this value. First he has given a minus b whole cube. What is a minus b? A is 7m plus 5. Minus is there, a minus b. B is first will come minus 7m and plus 5. Got it? A minus b. A is 7m plus 5. B is 7m minus 5. If I want to do subtraction, second term all sign will change. Plus 7m will become minus 7m, minus 5 will become plus 5. Whole cube plus 3 into The value of A is 7m plus 5 A plus B, 7m plus 5, second bracket 7m minus 5 plus 3ab, on the bracket again A minus B. The value of A is 7m plus 5 minus 7m plus 5, A minus B. Right, students? Yeah. Now you are observing here plus 7m minus 7m, we can cancel out, both are like term and sign are different. Then plus 5 plus 5, 10. 10 cube. 10 cube plus 3, second bracket. A plus B, A minus B. This is A plus B, A minus B. We can say A square minus B square. A means what? 7m. 7m whole square what will become? 49 m square minus 5 square is 25. And last bracket will become again minus 7 plus 7 cancel out. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 10 into 10. Now 10 cube will become 1000 plus 3 as it is. We want to multiply 10 inside. 490 m square minus 250. Okay. I think there was some network issue, students. No problem. I came back again. Yeah. Listen carefully, students. Yeah. Firstly, what we have done here? Yeah. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube plus 3AB bracket A minus B. Ritvika got it, everyone? Ritvika got it? Yeah. Students, when you are solving the question, you need to check the what is the question here. Whether you want to apply A cube minus B cube or A cube plus B cube formula. Yes. Yeah. Now I'm disclosing all answers. Section B second bit, check it everyone. Those have solved. Section B second bit. If your answer is right, you can raise your hand. Okay, you can give thumbs. If your answer is right, you can raise your thumbs. Okay. Second bit, first answer is 93. Second bit, first answer is 93. You can show me thumbs, not raise hands. Second bit, first answer is 93. B question 1600. C answer 116. D answer 99. And E answer is 10,000. Yeah. See, Nana is asking second bit, second A question. Those have solved, it's okay. Those who have not solved, check it. Okay. First question he has given, find the value of 4s square plus 9 r square, comma, if 2s plus 3r is equal to 9, comma, 2s plus 3r is equal to 9 and rs is equal to -1. This is the question we are going to solve. No, don't worry. Yeah. Listen carefully, student. In this question, you are observing he has given 2s plus 3r value. 2s plus 3r value means I want to find out the square of 2s plus 3r. I want to write here 2s plus 3r whole square. Why we are writing? Because this value he has given me, so we want to find out the square of this value. It is looking like a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write like that also, student. Don't confuse. A square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both are same. Okay. Now I am going to substitute the value. The value of a is 2s, comma, the value of b is 3r. Substitute the value here. Yeah. Now 2s plus 3r whole square is equal to 2s plus 3r whole square is equal to a square, 2s whole square, plus b square, 3r whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 2s, b is 3r. Now 2s plus 3r value he has given 9. 9 square is equal to 2s whole square. What will become? 4s square plus 9r square. 4s square plus 9r square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 rs. Now we want to substitute the value. 9 square is 81. 81 is equal to, we want to find out the value of 4s square plus 9r square. And the value of rs he has given -1. Then 12 into -1 is equal to -12. Now minus quantity I want to transfer to the left side. 81 plus 12 is equal to 4s square plus 9r square. What answer has come here? 93. 93 is equal to 4s square plus 9r square. Write down, everyone. Now I am going to explain special identities based on some special questions. Note down example first. Note down example first, everyone. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 38, if x square plus 1 by x square if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 38, find the value of x minus 1 by x. Note down everyone this question. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 38, find the value of x minus 1 by x. In this question, students, you are observing what he has given. X square plus 1 by x square value he has given. And he is asking find the value of x minus 1 by x. Means I want to find out the square of x minus 1 by x. Firstly, he has given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 38. I want to find out value of x minus 1 by x. Now I want to find out x minus 1 by x whole square. Where which identity we are applying here? A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Or we can say a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, I'm writing here x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square means 1 by x square. Yeah. Now x minus 1 by x whole square, this value I want to find out. X minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square as it is 2 into x into minus x 1 by x. Numerator x, denominator x we can cancel out. Now it will become minus 2. It will become minus 2. And plus 1 by x square. Again we can write here x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to, I am interchanging student, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Now this value I want to find out. Yes. Now x square plus 1 by x square value he has given 38. 38 minus 2 is equal to 36. But I want to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. This is the value of x minus 1 by x whole square. This is the value of x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 36. 36 I can write here 6 square. Now x minus 1 by x is equal to 6. This is the answer. Note down everyone fastly. Yeah. Note down example second. Note down example second. If x plus 1 by x, if x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 2 find the value of if x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 2, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Very interesting question. Note down everyone. Yes. Start solution along with me everyone. Yeah. Firstly, he has given x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 2. And he is asking find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Means I want to taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. If I want to take square on the both side, I can write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to square root of 2 whole square. Yeah. Now a plus b whole square formula apply everyone here. X square a square plus 2ab 2 into x into 1 by x plus b square. B square means 1 by x square is equal to square root of 2 whole square. Square root of 2 into square root of 2. Square root will be cancelled. Answer will become 2. Next, but I want to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Again, that 2 will transpose that side. Yes. Now we can write here x square plus 2 into 2x into 1 by x. The x will cancel. X square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. I want to find out x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2 plus quantity becomes minus is equal to 0. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 0. First answer completed. Again, taking square on both sides, then x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 0. 0 square means 0 only. Okay. Now again we want to apply a plus b whole square formula.